Congrats on completing the course. You have now the essential knowledge and strategies to thrive in the world of eBay dropshipping. We are confident that you are well on your way to building a successful online business. Remember, the journey does not stop here. Continuous learning and adapting are key to long-term success in e-commerce. To help you further on your journey, we would like to remind you about the powerful tools available to streamline and scale your business. Take advantage of the automation capabilities of Trackerbot to stay ahead in the game. And consider exploring AutoDS and Tick Analytics to optimize other aspects of your dropshipping operations. These tools can significantly simplify your workflow, saving you a bunch of time and boost your profits. As a special thank you, we encourage you to sign up to Trackerbot. It's free to sign up, and you can see how it can change your business. Again, thank you for joining us. We are excited to see your success in the eBay dropshipping world.